students, welcome to the class of Web Technology. Let us discuss some more tags related to HTML. So first tag is small tag. So this makes the text one font size smaller than the regular text in your HTML document. So you can look at the example. You have the P tag, that is the paragraph tag. This is a paragraph and here small tag is being used. So what happens is this text, that is smaller text, goes here, appears one font size smaller than this regular text. So you can see the output. This is a paragraph and smaller text goes here. So this one appears smaller than your regular text. Next, we are using the strong tag. It is used to define the text with strong importance, which is having strong importance. So the content inside is typically displayed in bold. So again you have one B tag, that is bold tag. So it specifies actually bold text in bold, but without any extra importance. So that is the difference between B tag and strong tag. Both are going to display the text in bold, but strong tag will provide strong importance to that text, whereas B tag doesn't. Then EM tag, emphasis tag. This is used to define emphasized text. Okay, the content inside is typically displayed in italics. So you can see an example here where small tag is being used. Then strong tag is used, B tag, EM tag. So strong means this word will appear in bold and it will have strong importance. B tag means this word will appear in bold, no extra importance. EM tag, this word CSS will appear in italics. You can see in this output. Next, HTML5 semantic structure elements. We are going to discuss about the different semantic elements in the HTML document. So once again we'll recall what is the meaning of semantic. Here semantic element means it's an element with some meaning. Always I've told the dictionary meaning of this semantics is meaning. So a semantic element clearly describes its meaning to both the browser and the developer. So there are examples for semantic elements: header, footer, article, section, nav is navigation, aside, figure, etc. So we are going to discuss it in the coming slides. So here the figure is given. You have header tag, then nav. It's actually the exact order in your HTML document. So you have first the header tag, then nav. Then here in this portion you can have section as well as article or aside. Aside also you can have, and footer. We'll begin with header and footer. So header element actually represents a container for introductory content. So introduction, all those things can be done in this header tag, or a set of navigational links also you can provide in this header tag. So a header element typically contains one or more heading elements, H1 to H6, logo or icon also you can put, authorship information, horizontal navigational links. So example, you can see in this header tag you have included heading tag H1 and paragraph tag P. So you can see this is H1 tag, so heading appears here, and this is the paragraph tag. Now next, footer. Footer actually contains less important material, such as smaller text versions of the navigation or copyright. All those information you can include here. Also you can include the information about the site's privacy policy. Also some Twitter feeds or links to other social sites, Facebook, etc. that all you can include. So example for footer, just I have given. Here you have the header section. Okay, that is I can tell mainly the introductory content. If you want to add some information, you can do all those in the header section. Then footer, it's almost displayed at the bottom of your web page, I can tell. So I'm trying to display like this: author Pragathi Hegde, HRF, referring to this mail ID. So it appears in this way. Okay. So both HTML5 header and footer, they can be used not only for page headers and footers like in a Word document, they can be also used for header and footer elements within other HTML5 containers you have, such as article or section. Okay, about this also we'll discuss article and section. Article element represents a section of content that forms an independent part of a document or site. Like it's like, for example, a magazine or newspaper article or a blog entry. For that purpose, you can use this article element. Section element actually represents a section of your document. So typically with a title or heading. Okay. So you can see here in this example, you have article section. So 3 article sections are there. So it is displayed in this way. Okay. Section, it defines a section in a document. A web page could be normally split into sections for, you can have different sections for introduction, then content, then contact information. You can look at this example. Section, this is first section. This is second section. 2 sections are there. So it appears in this way. Okay. Now heading groups. H group tag we have. So it is usually used to group the related headings together within one container. So you can see in this example, H1 and H2 I am making it under one container, that is H group. So H1 and H2 comes under one heading group, H group tag we are using. Now again H group tag is there. H2 and H3, they are coming under this H group tag. So it's grouping the headings, different headings. Navigation. The nav element represents a section of a page that contains links to other page. You can write links to other page or to other parts within the same page also. Okay. So simple example you can see here is, we are making use of nav tag here, nav tag for navigation. So where you are placing it inside the header section. I have told already that in the header section you can include a set of navigational links. So here we are including 3 links. You can see a tag, href, index.html means it provides link to that HTML page, index.html page. Another page, about.html, browse.html. So 3 links are there which will be redirecting to 3 different HTML pages. Next, difference between section and div. So you feel that section and div is same because section defines actually a section in your document. Same thing div also does. But section, you can include chapters, headers, footers also. Your section can contain. Div tag actually defines a division or section in an HTML document. But suppose you want to do a styling, then you can go for div tag. So there you can apply styling using CSS. Next, figure and figure captions. So this is understood by everyone. You have a figure, for that you can put a caption also. So we have figure tag for specifying that figures, and fig caption is to add a caption to the figure. So here in this example you can see that you have a figure here. So for that purpose we are taking the tag figure. In that image tag you are taking the source from where you are going to fetch that image. So Central Park JPG, this image appears. Now fig caption, for this image I am giving a caption. Here it is appearing, that is conservatory pond in Central park. Okay. Then we have a side tag. So it defines some content aside from the content it is placed in. So in the side you can see this is actually your main content. If I tell these all are your main content in the HTML document, but this, when you use a side tag, your content will appear different, that is aside from the main content. So here it is going to appear. See here, the the Epcot Center is a theme park. You can see this text or this content. Actually here the aside tag is used. Okay, so it will appear aside from the main content. So this is possible through aside tag. Thank you.